How to learn data science. We can divide sources of learning data science into three groups. Data science courses, data science online materials, data science books. Firstly, I should mention that I'm assuming that you've already know the fundamentals of Python, at the level of being able to import different data formats and clean them in a Jupyter notebook. If not, read the data science crash course at the end of this book, it's for you. Secondly, you should know basics of statistics and linear algebra. If you don't know any of these, I recommend you start with Codecademy to learn Python for free. For online and free source of statistics, check out ThinkStats for a longer treat. You can also find many posts online which cover quickly how to manipulate with matrices, probabilities or other fundamental mathematical concepts. However, you probably would like to spend more time on those fundamentals if you're just starting, and the best for that would be taking courses as a free reader/listener at your local university or follow a curriculum of one of established universities. Data science courses. There are many courses and organizations that have been established to help people to get started. Google things like Data Science Bootcamp or Data Science for Everyone and you'll find courses specifically meant to help people to get started with data science in Python. The offline courses can be quite expensive. But if you are ready to jump in and start learning, I would recommend you spend a couple of hours a week to take the course online and you will definitely be more comfortable. If you decide to go the Data Science Bootcamp, I'd recommend that you first work on a real project that you can show. This will give you a good idea of what data scientist does. If you want to complete courses in machine learning and data science, the first one you've probably heard about is the course by Andrew Ng. Machine Learning by Andrew Ng on Coursera. It covers fundamental concepts of machine learning, is a bit more theoretical, less coding involved, and is a fantastic source of what to know. However, if you're really just starting, there are other sources you should check. So here's the list of more basic courses that you should take at the beginning of your data science adventure. Harvard Data Science course takes you through basics, pandas, scraping, regression to machine learning. Introduction to Data Science in Python by University of Michigan is highly rated, basic introduction. It's on Coursera, so it's free if you don't need a certificate for it. Deep Learning, though it's far from introductory, this course is another one from Andrew Ng you should at least hear about. IBM Data Science, one of the most popular data science courses on Coursera right now. It is offered by IBM and offers a complete entry into data science from scratch. Especially great if you want to have a certificate for completing it. I'm always trying to read a lot, and books I list below are some of my favorites. For a more complete list, see one of the last chapter of this book. Data Science from Scratch, First Principles with Python. This is probably one of the first book I've read about data science. It really starts with basics and do not assume any knowledge of Python. Great for absolute beginners. Python Data Science Handbook, Essential Tools for Working with Data, more advanced book which will lead you through different data science techniques. Introduction to Machine Learning with Python, a guide for data scientists, another introductory book, this time focused more on machine learning. Data Science Materials. I'm a huge fan of GitHub. Well, like almost everyone. A really great source to learn data science is actually through browsing GitHub's countless open source repositories. The way to browse it is to search for a given concept and add GitHub on Google. For example, data visualization GitHub or DSCN GitHub. You can also browse papers with code, www.paperswithcode.com, to see the most recent research done with the code you can see and use. This way you'll be able to quickly find working code that you can play around with on your computer. Another thing is data science conferences. You should definitely look for some in your area and attend at least one to see what data scientists talk about and what is trending right now. This is a great way to keep up with the latest tools and techniques in this field and learn from the best data scientists in the industry. If you like to stay updated with what the data scientists in the field are writing, keep an eye on the data science subreddit and the blogs of the best data scientists. And make sure to keep up with all the latest tools and techniques the data science community is developing in the world of big data. This will ensure you have access to the latest tools and techniques that will allow you to leverage your experience and skills.